how to remove payment method on Shopify. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Shopify area, and on the left side bottom part you will see settings. Tap on settings and tap on payments. Now here under on payments, let's say you have already connected your Shopify account to various payment methods. So it will look like this, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is you will see manage here beside Shopify payments. Tap on manage and it will lead you here to your accepted payments. Now here you have to unselect the payment method that you don't want to include, or if you want to deactivate your Shopify payment, then scroll all the way down up until you see deactivate Shopify payments. And then if you tap on that, give the reason why you want to deactivate it. So let's say you want because rates are too expensive, then tap on deactivate Shopify payments again, and here confirm deactivate Shopify payments. Tap on that, and basically that's just how you remove payment method on Shopify. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.